Why does your scanner show the P000B engine code? And what does it mean? The P000B engine code stands for B, camshaft position, slow response in bank 1. The P000B engine error code indicates a problem with the camshaft position and timing in a vehicle. The letter B indicates the exhaust right or rear camshaft is causing the problem, and bank 1 is the #1 cylinder side of the engine. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: camshaft position sensor, timing chain or tensioner, oil system problems, fuel cap issue, electrical and control faults. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. The P000B engine error code is commonly reported in vehicles equipped with variable valve timing (VVT) systems. Here are some models where this code frequently occurs: are Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, Ford, Jeep, Chevrolet, Mercedes-Benz, and Hyundai vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.